If you've ever dreamt of capturing that doe-eyed charm of Disney princesses or are wondering how to make your eyes pop like never before, then stick around because we've got some pro-aging tricks right up our sleeves. Applying eyeliner, and this is the #1 question I receive about makeup. With the right techniques and a soft eyeliner pencil like Prime Prometics Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner, you can achieve the perfect blended look. On Janice, we are using Sapphire. Lashes. We all want those long, luscious lashes, right? Here are some steps to using an eyelash curler. Take a little Vaseline, add it to the lash curler. Heat the curler briefly with a hairdryer, curl your lashes, and you can see the difference. Let's talk about lash volumizers and mascara. With a lash volumizer like Prime Prometics Prime Lash Volumizer and a thickening mascara like Prime Lash Mascara, you can instantly amp up the volume of your lashes.